Are you using AI to get legal advice? You may be making a big mistake. Let's talk about it. I'm Kate Bem, a family lawyer in Montgomery County, Texas. Here's the deal. AI is not perfect, and although it's growing by leaps and bounds every single day, and you can do some really cool stuff with it, it's not a great place for legal advice. Here's why. First, AI is trained by humans. And if you think of AI as being a compendium of all of the things that are said on the internet, then you've got to figure that some of the things that are said on the internet about the law and how it might apply to the facts of your case are dead wrong. And so because AI often speaks with this voice of authority and seriousness, it makes you believe that the information that it's getting you is correct and that it's true and that it's accurate. But a lot of times I have clients bring me things that have been generated by AI that are either one, dead wrong, or two, lack nuance or a clear understanding of how their facts may be different and may be considered different under the law than the way that AI saw them. I've been practicing law now for almost 23 years. I practice in Montgomery County, Texas, where we have a set number of family court judges. I know those judges. I appear in their courts often. I know what their preferences are. Some of them I know quite a bit about their background, their training, their experience. I've been to continuing legal education courses where I've heard their thoughts and feelings about certain types of cases or certain types of issues in child custody and divorce cases. So I'm able to, as a human being, offer a unique perspective about what your judge is likely to do in your case if it's in one of the counties where I practice frequently. You know what can't do that? AI. So while you might be able to use AI to find a statute or a particular case site, AI at this point is not yet ready to operate as a lawyer does. And in some courts around our country, if you're representing yourself, and you're thinking you're going to draft something using AI, you may actually have to file a certification with the court that says that you didn't use AI or that you did. And that may reflect poorly in front of you, on the judge in front of you. And so that can be an issue in your case. And here's another thing. Let me give you some advice if you've already got a lawyer. You hired your lawyer because you trust their judgment, because you believe that their training and experience is of value to you. Don't use AI to fight with them. That is one of my pet peeves, is when I have a client who takes everything that I write to them, feeds it through AI, and then comes back and wants to fight with me about whether it's true and correct. Well, if you're just going to use AI, why are you paying me? You don't need me, right? You're relying upon that human element, what I know, what I perceive based upon my training and experience that makes me of value to you as a client. So keep that in mind. The other thing that you need to keep in mind is that that is almost certainly going to mean that you have higher legal bills because your attorney is spending time fighting with AI that they could be times spent fighting with the other side, which is what you've hired them to do. Now listen, if you've gotten to a point where you don't think that your attorney has the training, experience, expertise, and understanding of your court, that you feel like you need to turn to AI to get a clear understanding of what's going on in your case, then it may be that that's not the right lawyer for you. Or it may be that you need to go to your attorney and say, hey, look, I find that I'm going to ChatGPT to figure out what's going on because I'm not getting it from you. I need more from you. And your attorney is almost certain to give it to you because we want to do a good job for our clients and we want for our clients to feel like our work has value. So again, I'm Kate Bem. I'm a family lawyer practicing in Montgomery County, Texas. I'm a lawyer, not your lawyer. This is for public information purposes only. Good luck in court.